The key fob battery for the Q5 is finally dead. As you can see here, it does not lock and unlock the car anymore, and the red light does not blink anymore. And also, if you try and start the car with the push button, it'll tell you no key identified. The Q5 did also tell me that the key fob battery was getting low about a few months ago, and now it finally died. So let's just get straight to it and replace the battery in the key fob. This is the battery size that you will need to get, CR2032. First thing to do is to remove the hidden key inside of the key fob, flip it to the back, press this button right here, and pull out. And then the next thing to do is flip it back to the front, press the plastic button right here, and pull it out of the key fob. And there's the battery. Pay attention to the orientation of the battery when installing the new battery. Now pop out the old battery, just hit it from the side here. Real quick, can you guys do me a free, huge favor by subscribing to my channel to help support my channel? Thanks. Now let's get back to installing the new battery in the key fob. Grab your new battery, and like I said, pay attention to the orientation of the battery. The part number, as you can see on that side, should be facing down. Install it into the holder. Grab the other half of the key fob facing up and insert it into that half of the key fob. It only goes in one way. And make sure you hear it click. And finally, insert your hidden key. Also, it only goes in one way. And there it goes. That completes the replacement of the key fob battery. Now let's double check if the key fob works. Locks and unlocks, and then you see there the red light blinks. We are also able to start the car with the push start button. So if you guys found this video to be helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you guys missed a video where I disabled the amber corner lights on the Q5, make sure you guys go and check it out right here, and also subscribe to my channel right here. Thanks.